Hey, guys, welcome to Consultant Mindset. I hope you guys are doing great. Connection with our kids is everything. A parent and kid healthy relationship is essential in nurturing their development. A healthy relationship with them provokes remarkable qualities and aptitudes in a child's personality. Nowadays there is weak bonding between parents and children. Parents are merely involved in providing them with stuff only. However, for a better personality, kids don't need things only but a parent's attention as well. It is important to shed light on the fact that a proper brought up of a child demands parents' affection as well. As a parent, how is your relationship with your kid? Are you guys close enough? Let me know in the comments section. If you are not having a healthy relationship with your kid, then you can develop it by following ways. Let us dive into it. The most essential way of developing strong bonds with kids is by spending time with them. Now there can be many ways by which you can spend time with your kid. Drawing and art. Children are fond of colors and drawings. It is the best way of establishing good terms with them. Art is the best way to express your feelings and things. Those kids that are introverted and do not express their feelings are more likely to convey their feelings through art and drawing. It is not only a fun activity but also curative to parents and kids. Spending more and more time with children will make them realize how much they mean to you. Having constant sessions of art and drawing with them will make your relationship grow stronger and unbreakable. It doesn't matter whether your art is good or not, just try spending time with a kid by any means. Playing with your children. Well, in my opinion, I guess there is barely any kid who is not fond of playing. Every kid is enthusiastic about playing. Some kids may be shy and introverted. But a kid's true colors can be unleashed when they are given a healthy environment. We can connect with children only when we indulge ourselves in their favorite activities. Playing is the language of children. The entrance of parents into the kids' world opens up many positive outcomes. Most of the time parents are tired of interacting with their kids. But it is necessary to build a bond with them. It is all about establishing a bond with your kid. Once you have established the bond, it will remain throughout your life. To understand your kid, it is important to make an entry into their world. I am pretty sure you are not fond of playing as well. But you got to do it, mate. Cooking. Do you love cooking? Not everyone loves cooking, but we can use it as a fun activity to interact with our kids. It has become a social norm that we don't let our kids enter the kitchen when we are making meals. Especially for mothers, who try their best to keep their children out of the kitchen. It is just because having kids in the kitchen is not convenient, and kids love to make a mess as well. So it is kind of difficult having them in the kitchen. According to science, having kids helping you in the kitchen proves to be relieving stress and anxiety. Preparation of meals with kids is a fun and therapeutic activity regardless of the little inconvenience caused by kids. In the future, try to prepare the meal with your kids, as it will become a good family time. Do you guys eat dinner together with your kids? If not, then immediately start practicing this activity. Listening to your kids. Most of the time parents do not pay attention to whatever their kids say. They just ignore it, considering them a kid's useless talk. Some parents may listen to kids' conversations, but they just pretend to listen to them. Are you one of those parents as well? Parents have always been found uninterested in their kids' conversations. Start paying attention to whatever they say. Just care about their little talks, as they have no one to talk to except their parents. Having someone listen to you eventually develops a place for them in your heart. We should appreciate our kids for having them tell us their things. That's all for today. Hope you guys enjoyed it.